In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use Siri without touching the side button. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you want to use Siri without ever touching that side button, here's how. Begin by first opening up that settings app on your iPhone and scroll down on the section until you see the Apple Intelligence and Siri section right here. Open that up and you're going to see a few different options. If you prefer to speak instead of typing, go ahead and tap on talk and type to Siri, and it's going to open up a page that looks like this. But if you don't want to press any buttons at all, just toggle on Hey Siri. Follow the setup process. You may be asked to say a few sentences so that Siri can actually recognize your voice. But once it is set up, you can simply say, Hey Siri, and just like that, Siri is going to pop up completely hands-free. But there is another way to do this. You can actually head back into your main settings section and go into accessibility, and then go into the touch option as well. Then tap assistive touch and just go ahead and make sure that this is turned on. It's up at the very top. You'll see a small floating button appear on your screen. Just tap it and you're going to find a Siri option right inside. One tap and Siri activates instantly, no side button needed. And that's it. You can now use Siri completely hands-free or with just one on-screen tap. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.